you guys have been watching my Instagram lately, you may have seen these 20-degree squat ramps made by Double Circle. And I've been using them for myself with a lot of clients, and it's because they're so bang for your buck. There's so many uses you can make out of these things, so much variability that they provide for people in commercial gyms or home gyms. And that's what we're talking about right now. What you could do with them exercise-wise, cueing, all that type of stuff. So before I get into that, I want to talk about the 20-degree ramps compared to something like a 10-degree wedge, which you may have seen in the past. This is a 10-degree wedge made by ATX that I cut in half. So an ATX wedge, for example, they come in one full ramp. What I like about Double Circle is that people tend to stagger their stance a little bit. They tend to widen out their feet. So the Double Circle comes in 2 ramps. So it just gives you that, option of movement that you want. A 10-degree wedge could go a long way. This is for people who really want to get deeper in a squat, they want to get more knee flexion. So this is kind of like the Honda Civic of ramps, and this is like the Range Rover, right? Really big piece right here. This I like to use for people who have very long femurs. Sometimes you have some very, short individuals, but they have the long femurs, or you got like a client who's like 6'5", and they want to go ass to grass in a squat. So in those cases, I'll front load them, put them on some 20-degree ramps, and they'll go a lot lower. So just to give you guys a quick rundown of how it looks, if I do a basic body weight squat. So this is for a lot of people who want to maximize knee flexion. They want to go more knees over toes. They want to get bigger quads, all type of stuff, great for bodybuilding purposes. If I do a regular squat, okay, my knees are going forward, don't get me wrong. I have good mobility as well. But if you put me on these 20-degree ramps, I stagger them just a little bit. You notice my knees could go way over my toes. And my torso is even more upright. So it helps me get my center of mass back. So what's cool about these ramps as well is if you look at my old videos, my 10-degree ramps, only half of the foot is going on the ground. Okay, whereas with these 20-degree ramps made by Double Circle, I can get my whole foot, and it's a very wide base, on the ramp. And if I choose to, I have the option to only get half the foot. Usually with myself and my clients, I'll keep most of the foot on. I might have a toe or 2 off, like so. Show you with a weight. Grab like the kettlebell. Get that nice ass to grass position. And come right back up. Now I'll be showing you guys how it looks like with the safety bar squat, so check it out. Very comfortable. My knees can travel very freely. Literally feels like I'm on a hack squat right now. So a lot of people tend to have very hingy split squats, and a remedy for that could be the 20-degree ramps to help you maintain that head over heart over hips, as Rich Dahl likes to say, maintain a great stack and do your split squats that way. So I'm grabbing the kettlebell on an ipsilateral load right now. I have a front reach, soft knees, and with the ramp, helps me really sink in with the vertical translation torso. So very smooth split squats right here. These would be pretty hard to replicate with just my foot on the ground. Since I'm bringing the ground closer to my foot, I can change the shape, change the position. So I really like these. Also do calf raises with this. So put your toes right at the top. Get that front reach. Get your center of mass back. And from here, nice calf raise. You can also do single leg calf raise as well. With the ramp. Feels too easy. Grab a weight. Hold on to something. Calf raise like that. Very versatile tool right here. So now on to back training. If you go to certain commercial gyms, you'll see a machine T-bar row. You could actually replicate this with the 20-degree wedges. So put the wedges on the ground, step on. So why would you want to do a machine T-bar row? The simple reason it's going to get your center of mass back. It's more lower back friendly. A lot of the regular T-bar rows are going to pull you forward, whereas this is going to meet the ground closer towards the toes, so you can stay back as you row heavy. So you set the wedges right here. You could grab neutral grip, or you could grab a wide grip. So just grab a wide. Stand up. I'm going to stand nice on the wedges, soft knees. And you see where I start here? It's very low back friendly. I'm just going to row. Great for upper back. Want more lats. That's pretty much it. So those are a handful of lifts you could do with double circle 20-degree squat wedges. They also have these in the 10 as well. And yeah, I'll give you guys all the contacts in the bio below, and let me know what you guys think.